Hey everyone, so here is Snapchat Plus, and they have a kind of a new feature with early access called Tiny Snaps. Send bite-sized snaps along your chats. So here it is. Tap on the camera icon after you begin typing. Type in to take a tiny snap. So yep, basically, let's just also tap learn more. Maybe they have more explanation here. So here it is. Snapchat Plus subscribe, you can customize the color, batch, and appearance of different parts of the app. Tiny snaps allow you to send an image to any chat, kind of like your personal emoji. When you type in a chat message, the camera icon will turn into a tiny snap icon. To take a tiny snap, tap on the tiny snap icon. When you hit send, tiny snap will attach to your message. Tiny snaps cannot be enlarged to the size of a normal snap. They only ever the size when you send them. So yep, let's just try it out. So here is the chat, and then here is tiny snap, and that's what it is. And then you just send it. So here is like a tiny snap I just sent. Instead of like, you can of course send like a camera icon, it still works, but when you start typing, it has this new tiny snap icon on the left. So that's where if you tap on it, it will just enlarge. So